Hey there, if you're here looking for a beginner-friendly way to make money online, well, you're in the right place. Because in today's video, I'll be teaching you another clever way you can monetize YouTube without creating a channel yourself. This is a simple method that is available worldwide, and anyone who exerts just a little bit of effort can do it. Let me show you how. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. And if that's something that you're interested in, then please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below, and I will personally make sure to let you know the next time we post a new video. With that said, let's dive right into it. So the strategy we'll be talking about today is called link shortening, and there are several platforms available for you to do that on. I'll be sharing 3 options with you today and share a bonus strategy on how you can maximize your income potential from these sites. But before I do that, let's first talk about what link shortening is. Essentially, a link shortener is a simple tool that takes a long URL and turns it into a shorter version of itself, typically less than 20 characters long. So link shorteners also go by the names link shrinker, link compressor, and URL condenser. If you're familiar with a popular platform called Bitly, then it's pretty much the same but with a twist. And the twist is that unlike Bitly, that will take your audience straight to a certain website when they click on your link, this kind of link shortener that we'll be talking about today will direct your audience to an advertisement before taking them to the website itself. And this is precisely how you can earn. So link shorteners will typically pay you for every 1,000 clicks that you get, and the rates will vary depending on the country. As you might expect, you get higher payouts when your links are clicked on by Tier 1 countries, and I'll show you some of the sample payout charts later in this video. For now, I'd like to manage your expectations and let you know off the bat that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme by any means, but it's still a great way to make some passive income on the side. I'll also share the bonus strategy that I mentioned earlier just to help you come up with a solid way to attract views. And if that sounds good to you, then let's go through this step by step. So the first thing you'll need to do would be to visit YouTube and look for highly rated, highly viewed tutorial videos in any niche. You don't have to be personally interested in that niche as long as you know that there is a demand for it. And a simple way that you can conduct simple research would be to type in "how to" on the YouTube search bar. Everything that shows up would be phrases that are being suggested to you by YouTube because YouTube users actually search for these terms. And you can definitely start there. I want to go with how to lose weight fast. So as you can see, this topic definitely has a high demand and these videos are getting a ton of views. I want you to select any one of these. Let's say I like this one called 15 Simple Ways to Lose Weight in 2 Weeks. And then after choosing that, we can move on to step 2. So now that you've selected your video, you can proceed to the link shortener. I have 3 sites that I've personally tried out and know are legit, and let me tell you about each one of them. The first platform is called shrinkearn.com, and on their website you'll see that they have over 565,000 users who've generated them a total of 6.3 million clicks. As for their payouts, the highest rates that they offer are at $20 per 1,000 clicks, but to get to that $20, the clicks would have to be originating from Greenland. And since Greenland does have a really small population, let's check for the US rates. So you can see here that for US clicks, you can get $7 per 1,000. And the lowest rates for countries with less disposable income would be at 3.30 per 1,000 clicks. ShrinkEarn also has a minimum withdrawal amount of $3 and has multiple payment methods including PayPal, WebMoney, Payeer, RTM, etc. Alright, so let's move on to the second platform, which is called OK.io. For this particular platform, their maximum payout would be for audiences in Australia, for which they pay $5 per 1,000 clicks, and they also pay a minimum of $1 per 1,000 clicks for their lowest rate for countries that aren't specified on this list. On here, they have close to 600,000 registered users who've received over 5.8 million clicks. And the payout threshold is at $5, and the money is sent through PayPal, Skrill, or Bitcoin. The third platform is called short.st, and it says on their website that there are more than 320,000 users across the globe. Let's take a look at their payout chart over here. You can see that they do offer a maximum payout of over $14 per 1,000 clicks for a US audience, while their lowest rate would be unbelievably low at just 2 cents for Sudan, Congo, and a few other countries. The payout threshold is different for the different payment platforms that they use. So for PayPal and WebMoney, the minimum withdrawal amount is at $5, while for Payoneer, it's at $20. All of these platforms are pretty much the same, so you can choose to try one or even all of them if you like. So all three of them are available worldwide anyway, and as always, they will require you to register for an account and to log in to get started. That's simple enough to do, so I won't bother explaining that part to you right now. Instead, let me show you what to do with the YouTube link you picked in step 1. So on each of these sites, you'll find a bar where you can paste your URL, and once you do, you'll be given a shortened version of that link. As I mentioned earlier, that link will direct whoever clicks on it to an ad before he or she is able to access the actual website. So let's try that out for each of these sites now so I can show you exactly what it will look like. So on Shrink Earn, you'll want to paste the link right over in this box. And after a second or two, you'll get this link over here. So let's try clicking on it, and you'll see that it will take you to this ad, and after that, you can proceed to the actual YouTube video. Alright, now let's try the same thing on ok.io. Again, please paste your link on this box over here, and it will give you a condensed version of the URL. Let's see where clicking on it takes us. Again, you'll see this ad, and after that, you can get to your YouTube video. Finally, let's see what happens with short.st. So for the last time, please paste our link over here, shorten it just like this, and then copy the shortened link and check out where it takes us. Okay, so you've seen how it works on all three platforms, and let's get to the fun part where I teach you how to promote the links to actually get you views. And hey, if you're enjoying this content so far, then please do me a quick favor and hit like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell really quickly, and let's get into the strategy already. So step 3 is promoting your shortened link, and we'll be doing it with the help of this platform called Quora. If you're not familiar with what Quora is, it's essentially a question and answer website where people go to find information. So every piece of content on the site is generated by users, and it's open to anyone. So this is actually a gold mine right here because of what you can do. And it's to search for people asking questions that your tutorial answers. And then you can paste your link over there. But instead of just pasting it as is and appearing a little bit spammy, what you want to do is to create a short reply using what would sound like your personal experience, and then paste your link after the reply. Since the video that we selected talks about how to lose weight, you can say something along these lines. It took me so long to shed all of that baby weight. I gained it during my pregnancy, and this YouTube video was really helpful to me. I hope it helps you out too. So when you create a custom reply just like that, instead of pasting a link, it makes you look less spammy and should help with your click-through rate. Besides Quora, you can also try the same strategy on different Facebook groups or channels where you know people are searching for answers that the video that you have can address. You can even try working backwards in case you find certain questions that seem to pop out a lot, and then look for tutorial videos to address those problems and share them in exactly the same way. So if you found a lot of value in today's content, then you can get started on this right away. But if you need more money making ideas, then please do check out the links to other videos I'll be leaving for you in the description box below. Whatever you need to do to get started, I suggest that you do right away because tomorrow you will only wish that you had started sooner. Before you go, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell because it really supports our channel. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you again and I'll see you back here in a few.